They say an end can be a start. Feels like a barbarian still alive. It's like a bad day that never ends. I feel the chaos around me, a thing I don't try to deny. I better learn to accept that there are things in my life I can't control. They say love is nothing but a sore. I don't even know what love is. Too many days I've had.
Attenzione, Francesco Peron alla postazione microfonica, grazie.
It can be named. There's a part of my world that's fading away. You know I don't want to be clever, to be being not superior. True like ice, true like fire. Now I know that a breeze coming me away. Now I know there's much more dignity in defeat than a brother's victory. I'm losing my balance on the tightrope. Tell me please, tell me please, tell me please, tell me please. If I ever feel better, remind me to spend some good time with you.
E intanto Alberini conclude 56-87. Alberto Marin nuoterà in 1, William Casarotto in 2, Alberto Bressanello in 3, corsia 4 il campione